Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be looking into a sorting technique. We call it merge sort. So before we start, in case if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. So what is merge sort? So here you can see that merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm. So divide and conquer algorithm is very widely used algorithm to solve the problem. Now as per the Wikipedia, here you can see divide and conquer recursively breaks down a problem into two or more subproblems of the same or related type until these becomes simple enough to be solved directly. So when we divide a complex problem into two or more smaller subproblems and we keep on doing it till those smaller problems are easily solved. And after breaking this complex problem into smaller subproblems, what we do is we solve those smaller subproblems, we take their solutions and then combine them to give a solution to the original problem. So basically we divide a large problem into various smaller sub-problems and we keep on doing it till those sub-problems are simple enough to solve. And once we solve them, we have their solutions. So what we do is we take their solution and we combine them so that we get the solution to our original problem. So at this step, when we are combining the solution of smaller sub-problems and getting the solution to our original problem is actually the conquer part of it. So let's see how this divide and conquer algorithm fits into merge sort. So when we are given an array and we want to sort them, what we do is we first apply the divide part. Now in this step, what we do is we take the middle point of the array and divide the array into two halves. And once we divide the array into two halves, now the algorithm is carried out recursively on these two halves, and it goes on till there are no more halves of arrays to divide. So we keep on dividing it till there is only one single element left which is not further divided. So after this divide step ends, what we do is we then conquer. And how we conquer is in this step, from the bottom we take those smaller half arrays, we sort them and merge the divided arrays and get the sorted array. So we'll see this divide and conquer with an example to make it more clear. So for time being, we divide an array into two halves and we keep on dividing them into two halves till there is only single elements are left and those are not pretty much divided. So when we pick those single elements, those are already sorted. So we simply merge them and get the sorted array, and we keep on doing this till the complete array is sorted. So let's see these two steps with an example. So first we will see the divide part. So now let's say we are given with this array and we want to sort it in ascending order. So in the divide part, what we do is here we can see that there are 7 elements: 2, 10, 5, 3, 6, 4 and 11. Now we simply evaluate the mid position. So here is 3. So how we evaluate this mid position is we'll see later. But here you can see that as there are 7 elements, from 0 to 3 we break it down into one array, and from 4 to 6 we break it down into other array. So here you can see now this was our original problem to solve. We break it down into two smaller sub problems, and after breaking it down into two smaller sub problems, we do it recursively again into this smaller sub parts. So here what we do is after breaking it down into two parts, we take this part and we further break it down into two parts. So this algorithm is pretty much recursive in nature. And now as this algorithm is recursive, we take this smaller half and we break it down into two halves. So here you can see that after breaking this 0 and 1, we are left with single element 2 and 10. So here algorithm decides that okay, we can't break 2 and 10 further down. So what we do is the divide part is done for this piece So then we conquer. So in merge sort, a single element is already sorted, and in the conquer step, this is the smallest solution we have. That let's say if the array had only one element, it would have been sorted. So now in the conquer part, we actually merge them. So in one of our previous videos, we have discussed that how we can merge two sorted arrays. So this is the first sorted array and this is the second sorted array. So in the conquer step, we merge them, and we merge them in such a way that we compare their respective elements one by one and we try to merge them. So here we compare 2 with 10 and we simply merge them to get the sorted array. So after merging those two sorted arrays, we are left with a larger sorted array. So here 2 and 10 are actually sorted. Now this conquer is done for this particular step. The algorithm then tries to break this part because as this is a recursive algorithm, it breaks it like this. First it breaks in 4, then 2, then 1, 1. And after merging the smaller subunits, it takes the next unit and break it down into smaller pieces. So it breaks 5 and 3 like this. So 5 and 3 cannot be broken down further. So now it conquers it. So here it simply compares 5 and 3 and we get 3 and 5 because 3 is smaller. So 3 comes here and 5 comes here. So here you can see that this is the first sorted array and this is the second sorted array. And now we simply merge these two parts because these are solved problems of our smaller sub problems. So in the conquer step, we actually merge them. So after merging these two sorted arrays, it looks something like this. So 2 is compared with 3, it comes here. Then 10 is compared with 3, so 3 is smaller, so 3 comes here. Then 5 is compared with 10, 5 is smaller, so 5 comes here, and then 10 goes here. And this step is done. So now algorithm will pick this part and try to break it down using the divide step. So it will break it down like this: 6 and 4 and 11 because there are 3 elements. And here it will now first pick this part. So it will break 6 and 4 like this. And then it will merge 6 and 4. So which will become 4 and 6. So the only thing to keep in mind is in the conquer step of merge sort, what we are doing is we are merging two sorted arrays and the result is a large sorted array. So here you can see that this was sorted array, this was sorted array. We merged it in such a way that we got a larger sorted array. Similarly with this, we got larger sorted array. And as this part was actually sorted and this part was also sorted, so we merged these two sorted arrays as well. So we got this sorted array. And similarly we did here. So after sorting 4 and 6, as 11 is the only element left, so it goes like this. It comes here and then we have two sorted arrays. We try to merge it. So we get 4, 6, 11. And now here you can see the algorithm sees that okay, we have one sorted array, we have another sorted array. Now we can simply merge these two pieces together like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11. So here you can see that the final array which got sorted is actually our original problem which we wanted to sort. So friends, here I will just go back. So we'll go through this one more time. We saw that this was the problem given to us and we wanted to sort it using merge sort. So here we evaluated the midpoint of the array and we break it down into two smaller sub problems recursively. So recursively how it goes is it breaks it down like this and then recursively it goes to here. It break it down like this and then it again recursively go here. Then it break it down 2 and 10, and it sees that okay, it can't be further broken down, so it tries to merge it. So why it tries to merge it? Because this is the sorted array having only single element, and the single elements are already sorted, so it treats it as two smaller sub arrays which are sorted, and it tries to merge it in the conquer step. So it merge it like this, 2 and 10. So one thing is important, you watch my previous video where we actually saw the algorithm that how we can merge two sorted arrays, and the resultant array is also sorted. So we will get this sorted array. So this recursion ends here. It then goes to this side. It takes 5 and 3, breaks it down like this. It merges 5 and 3, which gives 3 and 5. So this part is done. So once this part is done, it sees that okay, I have got one larger array here and here, and both are sorted. So it tries to merge them. So we'll get 2, 3, 5, 10. And after doing this part completely, it then goes recursively to this part. It breaks 6, 4, 11 into two parts. 6 and 4 on one side and 11 on other side. It recursively sees that okay, I can break this down further. It breaks it down 6 and 4 like this. It merges them. It becomes 4 and 6. And then it goes to this side. It sees that okay, 11 is only the single element left. So it comes here and it sees that okay, I have got two sorted arrays like this. So in the conquer step, I will simply merge them. So when we'll merge them, we'll get 4, 6, 11. And as we have done this step, the algorithm sees that okay, this is the one sorted array, this is the other. It simply merge both of these arrays like this. So friend, this is the basic idea behind divide and conquer algorithm when we are dealing with merge sort. In our upcoming videos, we will see all these steps in greater detail. We will see the demonstration of the algorithm step by step so that this idea becomes more clear to you that how it is actually done. I hope you must have liked this video. In case if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Thanks, have a nice day.